good amount of time, we've been discussing about people working and trading, getting rich or poor. So, what made them rich or poor? Money. Wow! All this money everywhere, yet none in my pocket. The ancestors did not have any either. Just kidding. 2000 years ago, there weren't any notes because, well, paper was not so easy to make. But as we know, metal was fairly easier to make. Hence, coins. People had coins. Punch-marked coins is what they are called. Why the name? Well, because they had different designs punched onto them, like this. This is what I'm talking about. What's this? A silver coin. Looks precious. Now, in this age, silver coins were a big deal. They were like the 2000 rupee notes of today. The other lower value coin was made of copper, like this one. But that was not all. Money wasn't the only form of payment. Here, for example, you can see that they're exchanging goods for goods. This is called the barter system. So far, we've seen how life 2000 years ago looked like. Let's have a quick recap of that. People stayed in well-planned villages and towns. Unfortunately, it was the rich who had the power to control. So yes, let's start with the rich. Grama Bhojakas and Grihapatis owned large amounts of land and ruled over the ordinary people or Dasa Karmakaras by making them work on their land and indulge in farming. They also collected taxes and maintained law and order and stability in their regions. Some people, however, didn't care about being rich or poor and stuck to creativity and learning. They were craftspersons like sculptors, potters, painters, and writers. Their sculptures, pottery, artworks, and written work are what gave us a detailed understanding of life at that time. In the South, the Sangam literature gave us information about the lives of people. And in the North, it was the Jataka tales. From those, we learned that people made clothes, potters made pottery, sculptors made sculptures, and traders traded them along with other objects. Look here, around me. There is so much happening. People are buying and selling goods. Someone is bargaining right there, just like they do today. Someone is paying with coins. And there, they are using the barter system. How interesting! It's all happening right now. All of these would not have been possible if humans did not come up with the concept of money. Money appeared into the lives of people, and boom! Just like that, people started selling their skills. Kings started building fortresses and palaces. And now, for a change, apart from food, common people started buying other things too. Not very different from what it is like today. Vital villages and thriving towns were important for us to progress into the modern society we live in. But at the heart of it all, there is one controlling force, and that is money. You know what else money made convenient for us? Buying food. Yum!
If you like this video and want to watch many more amazing videos like these, like and subscribe to our channel now.